So, yun na, naputol ako ulit. Dami, no? So yun again, guys, beautiful, good people, keep on fighting. Sana nasa uh, light side kayo, huwag yun doon sa dark side. Okay? Kasi pwede malapit na bumalik si Jesus Christ. So be ready talaga. Kaya sabi nga, keep your lamp ready all the time. Because anytime Jesus Christ might return. Okay, guys? So, again, I love you all. I love you. Good people and even bad people. Okay? Um, be on the right side. Be loveful. Be respectful. Be graceful. Be fair to other people. Kasi tao din yan. Ano din yan ang pagmamahal ng Panginoon. Kasi nga, maski ako, maski sa mga Muslims, I give respect to them. Basta huwag lang akong kasi ang ina-against ko is their parang religion ng Islam. Kasi parang kulto na yun. Ganon din ang INC, ayaw ko yan kasi wala silang Jesus Christ sa kanilang beliefs. Same with Seventh-day Adventist, mga Sabadista, or whatever pa na mga religious sect. So, ayaw ko yung ganun. Basta ako, kasi wala ako basta sa Christians, I can go to churches still with the Catholic churches, yung mga sub-preachers ng Christians, pwede ako mag-attend, mag-listen. Basta through Jesus Christ lang. Okay. So I love you all. Have no fear. Don't go too much on the material thing. Okay. Go your priorities on the heavenly prepared to you by God. Kasi yun yung everlasting, at least 1,000 years, di ba? After this life span that we have, mga siguro ilang taon na lang yan, we don't know, 5, 10, 20, who knows, God who knows. Kasi God wanted to gather as much as God wanted